Hi, my name is Neil Raymond and I'm the CEO of Pacific Prime. I'm here today to talk to you about AETNA, the health insurance group from the United States, and specifically on their international health insurance plans. And they've recently announced a significant reduction in premiums for new business in Asia, the Middle East and Europe. I think this is a symptom of the market today, in the sense that we've seen recent discounts from Bupa, from Interglobal, from several other leading international private medical insurance companies and groups, and all of this to me points towards the fact that the market is getting increasingly competitive. AETNA have been, the US insurance group has been present in the international market for many years. They used to use their plans out of the US, and they were specifically focused on, let's say, American corporate groups out of the US. But about 5 to 10 years ago, they bought a company called Good Health, which was a specialist international medical insurance provider with offices here in Hong Kong, in the Middle East, in Europe. And Good Health was one of the sort of leading providers of IPMI around the world to individuals and corporates. And 5 to 10 years ago, that was taken over by AETNA. Since that time, the AETNA portfolio, we believe, has grown quite substantially in the IPMI world. Both the traditional American corporates buying AETNA plans for their staff overseas, as well as the growth in the old Good Health book, now the AETNA book of course, of individuals and SMEs that were previously on the Good Health international health plans. And we also believe that AETNA's had substantial gains in the student market, particularly for country nationals from a particular country going overseas, to the extent that AETNA today is probably one of the biggest distributors of IPMI globally. Best guess would be perhaps maybe as high as $1 billion US, maybe more, who knows. But the important news today that's just recently coming to light is the discounts that they're offering on their individual IPMI plans in Asia, in the Middle East and Europe. Now, the discounts that are being offered are 25%, I believe, in Europe and 15% in Asia and the Middle East. My understanding is this is only for new business and not for renewals. And obviously we as distributors need to make clients aware of that at renewal they will see a substantial premium increase because the discount will be lost. But what it says to me is that the market is increasingly competitive. The AETNA plans we're talking about here are some of the oldest in the market, in the sense that the plan's been around in its current form, previously with Good Health and now with AETNA, for best part of 20 years. And over that period of time, the market has become increasingly competitive, lots of options out there, more and more companies moving towards modular type plans where clients can pick and choose the type of cover they're looking for. And consequently, the AETNA plans are possibly, my guess, would be coming under some price pressure, and thus this response. We shall see. I think this year and next year we can see increasing competition and pressure on pricing on this type of plan, and consequently good for consumers. No other comments on that really, just to say that Pacific Prime, as the world's largest distributor of international private medical insurance, we follow this stuff very carefully, and we're very keen to advise our clients and anybody else on these matters. So if you're looking for health insurance, if you're looking for advice on IPMI issues, then please, why not contact me?